After 6 years of forcing creators out of the app to share videos, YouTube quietly reinstates direct messages. The twist? The inbox is invite-only, and the link lasts a single week. That tiny rule changes everything about how creators can own their community. YouTube's new messaging system feels like a small tweak, but the details matter. Open the mobile app, tap the messages icon that appears beside the Shorts icon. A dialog pops up offering a one-time link generator. Tap Generate, and a URL appears, valid for exactly 7 days. Copy it and paste it into an email, WhatsApp, or any other channel you use to reach your audience. The recipient clicks the link, and the app asks for permission to add you as a contact. Once they accept, the link is removed, and the person shows up in your YouTube contacts list. From that point on, any video, short, or live stream you share with them appears inside your own inbox. The messages remain private to the two parties. You cannot broadcast them to a wider audience. The system requires an explicit opt-in, so each connection is intentionally limited. This design keeps the feature focused on one-to-one interaction rather than mass marketing. Because the link expires after a week, creators must plan their outreach carefully, scheduling invites ahead of major content drops. Invite-only access changes the game for creators and their audiences. By requiring an opt-in, YouTube filters out mass spam and keeps conversations personal. The feature feels less like a marketing channel and more like a private club. This exclusivity builds trust. Fans know they're on a list and that the creator values their interaction enough to ask them to join. The data implications are significant as well. Because the contact is stored within YouTube's own ecosystem, creators can rely on the platform's privacy policies and compliance standards instead of third-party apps that may sell data. Moreover, the one-week validity of the invitation link introduces urgency. Creators can create time-bound campaigns that reward early adopters, turning the messaging feature into a tool for generating anticipation and scarcity. Finally, the limited number of contacts a creator is allowed to maintain forces a focus on quality over quantity, encouraging creators to nurture real relationships rather than chasing numbers. This deliberate scarcity also encourages creators to segment their audience, identifying core supporters who are willing to engage in deeper conversations and growth. Once a contact is added, the channel operates like a private inbox. You can send any video, short, or live stream directly to that single viewer. The experience mirrors the public feed, but only the invited person sees it. This opens up a sandbox for trial releases. A filmmaker can circulate a rough cut to a handful of loyal fans and collect feedback before a public premiere. A tech guru can send behind-the-scenes footage of a new gadget, sparking a discussion that feels intimate. For collaborators, the DMs become a shared workspace where you can exchange links, comments, and even co-edit scripts. The platform's native timestamps and reply functions keep the conversation organized. By treating the DMs as a true channel, creators can launch beta programs, offer limited edition merch previews, or even run Q&A sessions that feed back into their public content strategy. Because everything stays within the YouTube app, creators avoid the friction of switching to external messaging services, preserving brand consistency and ensuring that data stays under the platform's robust privacy controls and enhances engagement and drives loyalty. Start by mining your analytics. Look for viewers with high watch time and frequent comments. They are likely the most engaged. Pick 10 to 20 of them and draft a personal note explaining why you value their support. Paste the generated link into that note. Quick and easy. Once they accept, the contact appears in your list. The next step is value creation. Send a behind-the-scenes clip of an upcoming video, a teaser of a series arc, or a direct question that invites thoughtful replies. The key is to make the content feel exclusive. You can also use the DMs to coordinate small live sessions with a handful of fans, turning the conversation into a mini-event. For collaborators, the feature can serve as a secure channel to exchange footage, scripts, or feedback before public release. Remember to schedule these interactions before a major content drop to build anticipation and reward the early adopters. Keep a log of the topics discussed to refine future content themes and to identify which messages resonate most with your core audience. Because each invitation requires explicit consent, YouTube has built safeguards against abuse. Sending mass links in a single message will trigger moderation and could result in a temporary block for the creator. Therefore, keep outreach personal and limit the number of invites per day. The 7-day expiration also means you must plan your cadence. Otherwise, you risk losing a contact before they see your content. Privacy is another concern. Although the data stays within YouTube, contacts are still real people with expectations of confidentiality. Misusing the channel for promotional sales can erode trust. Additionally, if a creator exceeds the recommended contact limit, YouTube may prompt a warning or temporarily disable the feature. Finally, technical glitches, such as sync delays between devices, could disrupt the flow of messages. Staying on top of updates from YouTube's developer forums and monitoring your channel's analytics will help you avoid these pitfalls and maintain a healthy relationship with your audience. Document every contact interaction in a spreadsheet, noting the content sent and the response received to comply with data retention policies and to audit any potential misuse strictly. Invite-only DMs ripple beyond individual creators. As more channels adopt the feature, a micro-ecosystem of private conversations will grow. This could influence YouTube's recommendation engine, pushing more tailored content to users who engage in DMs, thereby reinforcing the platform's focus on watch time. Monetization models may evolve. Creators could offer subscription tiers that unlock access to the DM channel, turning it into a paid community. Brands might test targeted outreach directly to brand-loyal fans, bypassing ad inventory. The feature also encourages creators to adopt a more data-driven approach, measuring engagement metrics within the inbox to refine content strategy. However, the scarcity of contacts could lead to echo chambers, where only a subset of the audience hears certain messages. Watching how YouTube balances growth and privacy will be crucial. In the next update, expect tighter integration with YouTube Shorts, live chat, and possibly a way to embed polls or surveys directly into the DM thread. Creators ready to iterate quickly will reap the benefits before the feature matures. Ultimately, creators who treat DMs strategically set new standards for community engagement on YouTube. Next, explore how YouTube's algorithm may prioritize DM-engaged content and consider the implications for brand partnerships and paid community tiers. Keep an eye on upcoming updates that could unlock polls or collaborative tools within the private inbox for creators today.